everyone, this is Selena Sensei once again, and in this vlog, we're going to do a continuation of the vlog right here, the vlog on JLPT and for practice tests on vocabulary and kanji. And we're going to do Mondai-san, which covers 9 sentences. So guys, with no further ado, let's do it. Okay, this is what we're going to do with Mondai-san. Mondai-san, カッコに何を入れますか ?1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So guys, we're just going to choose the right word or vocabulary for each sentence. So we really have to understand each sentence. Okay, let's go to number 16 right away. 友達に誕生日プレゼントをかっこました。友達に誕生日プレゼントをかっこました。Choices are あげました、借りました、くれました、貸しました。Which one do you think is the right answer? Okay, the answer is number 1. Okay, あげました。Which means I gave. Okay, I gave my friend a birthday present. So 誕生日プレゼント is birthday present. Okay, this is a simple sentence. So it simply says I gave my friend, okay, a birthday gift. 借りました means I borrowed. くれました means somebody gave me something and the receiver is me. Okay, the point here is that when you use くれる, okay, for example, 友達は私にプレゼントをくれました。Okay, what comes first is the giver. Okay, 友達は私にプレゼントをくれました。You can omit 私に, okay, because when you use くれる, it's understood that the receiver is me. 友達はプレゼントをくれました。or 友達がプレゼントをくれました。You can omit 私に。Okay? This くれる, I have explained this in other vlogs, and this will appear as many times as you would experience in every sentences. Okay? So, let's go to number 17. I hope that is clear. Number 17. 私は毎日2時間パン屋でかっこをしています。私は毎日2時間パン屋でかっこをしています。Okay. So what is he doing? Okay. Choices are サンドイッチ、支度、アルバイト、用事。Okay, the answer is アルバイト。So the sentence says, I work part-time. アルバイトをしています。means part-time. At a bakery for 2 hours every day. Okay, so アルバイトをしてます。You're telling about your work. I work part-time. And this there indicates the place of action. This is your workplace for 2 hours every day. So as you could see, we're translating the sentence by going backwards. When the subject is already understood, like in this sentence, I is the subject, and the next thing that I will do is to look for the verb, which comes at the end of the sentence. Okay? 支度 means prepare. Okay? 支度をしています。I prepare. 用事 is an errand or a business to do. Okay, number 18. 知ってる人に会ったら, let's break this sentence. かっこをしましょう。知ってる人に会ったら、かっこをしましょう。Choices are 運動、挨拶、案内、遠慮。I'll give you time. Okay. The answer is number 2. 挨拶をしましょう。So the sentence says that when you meet somebody you know, okay, 知ってる人 a person you know, 知っている okay? This modifies a noun, okay? We have a noun modifier here. When you meet あったら which means when you meet somebody you know, say hello or let's greet them, okay? 挨拶をしましょう。運動 is exercise, so this is very impossible. 案内 is to guide, okay? But this is not the one. Okay, 遠慮 する means to refrain from doing something or to hesitate in doing something. And the opposite of 遠慮しないで which means to feel free in doing something. Like for example, 遠慮しないでたくさん食べてください。I've used this in the other vlogs, okay? So it's just the opposite of 遠慮しないで, okay? 19番。ここでお金をください。ここでお金をください。Choices are 下がってください。行ってください。戻ってください。払ってください。Okay, the answer is number 4. It only says, please pay here. Okay, ここでお金を money、払う is to pay. ここでお金を払ってください。Please pay here. Okay, 下がってください。下がる is the dictionary form which has a lot of meanings and this is not the one. And 行ってください。行う which means to be held. For example, ここで結婚式を行います。or 行ってください。The wedding will be held here. Okay? 戻る which means to come back. And of course, 払う。払ってください。Okay? Number 20. 隣のうちのテレビの音が、okay? 音が、です。隣のうちのテレビの音が、です。Choices are うるさい、おかしい、嬉しい、厳しい。Okay. So the answer is number 1. So this is a complaint, which means the television next door is very noisy or very loud. 音がうるさいです。So 音 means the sound of the television and it's too loud and so we have うるさい. Okay. So he's complaining about the next door's television's sound. Okay, so おかしい is means weird or hen, something like hen or weird. 嬉しい is I'm glad. 厳しい is strict. Okay, the teacher is strict. 先生は厳しいです。Okay, number 21. There are not really difficult sentences and no grammar points to be taught at this time. Okay, 21. 今電話してホテルをしました。今電話してホテルをしました。Choices are twin, シングル、予約、予定。The answer is 予約 which means 予約しました。I reserve for a hotel room. Okay, to rephrase it, I called and made a hotel reservation. ホテルを予約しました。Okay, I reserve. 予定 means plan or schedule. Twin and single just says the kind of room you're going to reserve. Okay. Number 22. Curtain means curtain. Okay, it's in katakana. Curtain をました。 カーテンをかっこました。Choices are 壊しました。引っ越しました。変わりました。取り替えました。So it's curtain. What do you do with curtains? Okay, the answer is 取り替えました which means I changed the curtains. Okay, 壊す the dictionary form. 壊す is to break or destroy. 引っ越す means to move to another place, another apartment or another mansion or anywhere. 引っ越す to move. And 変わりました is change, 変わる change. 取り替える is to change. Okay, so you change the curtain. Very simple one. Okay, let's move to number 23. So we have the last two sentences for 問題3. Okay, 注射をしている間はかっこください。注射をしている間はかっこください。Number 1, 伺わないで、受けないで、動かないで、映らないで。Okay, do you know all the words? So 注射 is injection. That's a big hint. Okay, the answer is, of course, when the doctor is do an injection, of course you don't have to move. Okay, so 動かないでください. Please don't move while. So 間は means while I'm doing the injection. Okay. 伺わないで the dictionary form is 伺う which means to ask, and 伺わないで means don't ask. So this is not the one. 受けないで受ける is the dictionary form which means to receive, 受ける or to take something, like for example test 試験を受ける I'll take the exam. So this is not the one. So 動く is the dictionary form which means 動く is to move. Okay, so we have the negative form 動かないで don't move. 映らないで the dictionary form is 映る which means to be contagious or infectious. There are other meanings, okay, depending on the sentence that you're going to use. So this is in the negative form. So this is not the one. 映らないでね. So here is the right one. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, the last sentence for 問題3. お茶を飲むために湯をかっこました。お茶を飲むために湯をかっこました。Choices are 起こしました、沸きました、焼きました、沸かしました。Okay. The answer is 沸かしました。Okay. So the sentence says I'm going to boil water in order to drink tea. Okay. お茶を飲むために I will boil water for tea. And this is what you have to remember, guys. When you want to say I'm going to boil water, you will say you or oyu. You o wakashimasu. Okay, it's a fixed phrase. 起こす the dictionary form is 起こす which means to wake someone. 起こします。弟を起こします。I will wake my younger brother. And the dictionary form for this is waku, which means to boil. And this is a intransitive verb. Oyu ga wakimasu. So it means the water boils. So it's different from this one, which is a transitive verb. So a transitive verb has an object. Okay, so I will or I'm going to boil water. So this is the object for this verb, transitive verb. Okay, yaku is to cook like meat. For example, niku o yakimasu. Okay, tamago o yaku. Okay, so guys, this is the last sentence. I hope you were able to get or you were able to perfect this, okay? The sentences are simple and the words are also simple. But maybe I guess you had a hard time with number 23, okay? For these words, ukagau, ukeru, ugoku, and utsuru. Okay, in our next vlog, we're going to do mondai 4 and 5. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. So guys, we will study together as always. Okay, good luck.